For making the bracelet, we need the items are cord, scissor, lighter, clip, ruler, and hot paper. The first step, we are going to cut off the cord. We need two kinds. First, we need the cord with a length of 20 centimeter, and we need only one piece. And next, we need cord with a length of 60 centimeter, and we need two pieces. And then we put together the cord with a length of 60 centimeter like this, and we measure 8 centimeter. Okay, and we tie. Prepare the hard paper and clip, and we clip the cord. And we have two cords, left and right. Leave the right cord and you twist like this. Leave the left cord and insert under the cord here. Take the right cord and you insert the left hole here. And the left cord you insert under the right hole. And you pulled. Next step, the left cord you leave and put on the cord like this, and the right cord you leave and insert under the left hole. And pull it. Now we are going to make heart. The right cord you twist on the other cord, and the left cord you leave and insert under the other cord. Then the right cord insert on the left hole. Like this, and the left cord insert under the right hole. And you pull it. Like this. And the length of about 2 centimeters. The left cord you leave and put on the cord like this, and the right cord insert under the left hole. And you pull it. Okay, we repeat. The right cord you leave and you twist on the other cord like this, and the left cord you insert under the other cord like this. The right cord you insert on the left hole. Like this. And the left cord you insert under the right hole. And you pull. And the next step, the right cord you leave and put on the other cord, and the right cord you insert under the cord and insert the left hole and pull it. You repeat until the end. And now you tie to lock. You measure 8 centimeters and you tie, and you repeat the other side. The next step, we cross this one like this. We secure and take the cord with 20 centimeters, the length of 20 centimeters, put under the cord like this and tie. And now the right you leave and put like this, and the left you put on the cord like this and you twist and you tie. Repeat 3 times. The last step, we cut off the excess and you melt. And the bracelet has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.